Hello guys. Okay, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora. If you're new here, please do subscribe so you can see more videos like this. And please don't forget to click that notification bell as well so you'll see more new videos. Thank you. Okay. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you my little greenhouse, mini, little.
Already assembled it.
So this is the one that we unboxed. So we already, my husband already assembled it. It's not me. So it's supposed to be there is a covering here,
Yes, there
but
is.
but we don't use it because I want the plants that I put here will get more sunlight because
And rainwater.
yeah, and rainwater as well because it's still end of summer, yeah, beginning of autumn, so it's still a bit daylight and then rainy. So this is oopsie. Hello. He wants to go in. Okay, so this is there's a 4 shelves. So this is 1 shelves and then 2 and then 3. And then this is the bottom shelves. So it's good. We put it here so it's not in direct sunlight. So this is a north facing garden, so it doesn't get the direct sunlight. Maybe from there. So but not all the time. It gets direct sunlight but not all the time anyway. In the afternoon there's no sunlight here. So
Maybe just in the morning for an hour or so.
yeah, or maybe in the noon because the sun is there in the middle. So no, so supposed to be the cover should be like that, and then
And
there
it
is
zips up
an
at the
opening
front.
here, but we don't put it. So I'm happy with this, like this, so I can put my plants easily and take out easily as well. So
And they
that's
get
fine.
rainwater all the time.
Yeah, and the rainwater because rainwater is good for the plants, and I used to collect the rainwater so to to water my indoor plants. So I'm happy for this. So now I'm going to put plants and then so you can see what plants I put in here. So it's now autumn, so there's no point doing like planting new things now. So the one that I have to plant now are bulbs for spring. But then I have to put some plants here so you can see. So now okay, so I'll put all my succulents in here. So these ones here. I don't need to water because it's raining. And this is Petunia. This nice is nerve plant. And this succulent, and that's our succulent. guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Tara! Love, love, love.